Minto bwairire aisimo gutoka akimogenderete gagerete mbiamuri onye tora like a page ya Facebook, please like it. Onye tora subscribe ali YouTube, subscribe kina kere gente kironge gukora erinde we support each other. Naroche the young people, our artists babu at the show, and I'm told that the turnout was good. We are mona sana so support our artists, and as I'm always telling them, that is what they do on the side. I pray that babuate imirimo bakora era ababekere endagire mesa useru era abana babe school fees, but we are grateful no bagotya kire into bakora bacha gotogo kimbia mono sana. So rero ntetenkwanire igoro ya abantu togotara nabarabukisabu tobwate. In fact intaragendale onye momanyeti abandi mbaro mutamanyeti umwana naro raswa Texas umwana umwiseke. She was laid to rest I believe it's a week ago, and I watched the whole funeral and my heart shook. Nkalera maliga, I don't usually cry. Nkalera maliga, the people were wailing. In your Torah video, you all contributed, you gave money, and her life is over. She has left 2 children. It is the most painful thing. As a parent, as a sibling, as a friend, people cried in that funeral. And there is no any other way, and it was so painful. It was the most painful funeral to watch. So you can imagine how the parents are dealing with that. The mother is still living, the siblings. It is painful. So, young people, nini tokotaka ukwana na inu. Na anda machuma nale, atali young people, lakini abene tokotegerere discussion ituta itokwana. Abasubati mbaro abake. Abasubati abango konyora. Bako kokora bali ibintu bwange kero banyorera abana yabanchurira chinchira cyabo Joanna isi baba. So this morning go nacha emeremo nichi earring ibere moroche mbegete earring yeye mbegete earring yeye no mwana enisi anongete mora onyonka is my niece. She's the one who gave me this earring 28 years ago ndoche 1993. Umwana who gave me these earrings as a gift. Kerobali corner we went to school, she ordered and these earrings came. Na twarechi earring each for those years mpaka bono. So this morning enachiru sinchago chibeka na ratgambe komuguko because I didn't have enough time. Na ile shortcut na chibeko muguko. Kero na chibeko muguko karongo chikontaka ko koligia na nyoranga ni earring ye mumbegete. Bono imbuate bono na bobo gimabuliga. Na bobo gimabugocha oroche 30 years na agachire earring each. 30 years bono yansiriri. Question neli nangaki earring ye bono ntete na cheki nangaki gonkonye gachandre gose ninyole yende gose ngunye tutangole chinde. Abantu abange otokwenyora in bad relationships. Otokwenyora nabasani ababe, otokwenyora ninyomembe. Otokwenyora nikisabu chimbe. Nebo mwana musinini nebo mugaka neba bangina. Amasase narolira amasase akunywa marwat agotinda abantu bagotinda ekeombe muchieta asegete ngatogende out. Abasubati bamanya kunywa bandi mpaka baroka. Hata yanga togende guchigaiga. Ama chumo ndoko tenga nchutura ikago chigaiga mata kalioki kaliyako mwagenda mwanywa marwa kyabasireria mune yeringe yansiriri. Yeringe in fact yansiriri tipi. Nandi there is a possibility nga nabongo kenyora ositi kenyora. Kero kyago siriri obwate bad company. Naboge go siriri pi ke go siriri pito kerora. Forever tindore yeringe nabanyere yawa egali yanyetacha. A lot of us go surround ourselves n'abantu batabwati bataliko add value asobo mabwaito okonyora ntobwate insecurities kero muntu nabwate insecurities ebintu mbirubona okonyora utaliko korabuya inzachindo okonyora ibono tobwati nonye mbese inzachinde bona nonye mbiri mutobwati yani ubwate mechande mengi abantu number 1 bali bagokobekanse kabisa n'abantu bali muyiboire nabarabuchaka abana bamino Umenya go cy'abasani cousin abasani bali mu achite na barabu primary abasani mu achite na barabu ya secondary abantu bali bakomanyire imyaka menge na ubagocha bakurusibonga points bagotenga peninki bona arato tebye oyo nimo mayete kuri nyando chebere abantu bali kuri nyando chebere na ubona bagocha bansaliria elieta onye nali kunywa maru bateyo ante moyo no muntu olingo mulevi oyo no muntu olingo mutaya yo mayete na bora nyolengo taya ya kwalinge ogachanya saya gakonya litukulindo karanga yaya tingunya komera basacha iska tingunya komera bakungu iska tigantige tinyoro borwere ntware family yani bono gwauncholeri kero gwauncholeri abantu bali bono kwabere gotarana baro bimyaka na bakonya kolete eliote libanya tenga yaya cheering na bwate ibere cheering na bwate wa bring the past to chake chi relationships cha baibuli ikoto bwate chi relationship chimbe na baibuli okonyora mama minali konyago tenga etoko bato wisanira kende tato minonyo tenga etoko yendande ayi omata baibuli kalembanje te kunyakuragereria abana kunyakwara a lot of negative things mwamenya goita siblings mwachaka gosigikana siblings rivalry ya siblings nero bone goita abantu gochichimbera imi omusubati onde gante tinga akariki chibese imanya elibwa misini 5 million shillings elibwa $50,000 mumurumo abaka motebi obole mumbole gaiga inchuo kora bwangu okoleki obugole bore prime obuyo agache is going to return almost what yakagenda 401k ya retirement account akarusi $50,000 akachi transfer mwana mwabo barayirende yemo almost what yigante tinga gayigwete muna nesurori $50,000 chons picha chire mumuru yumo bago tenga ngana roche ngatiganda agacha mwane manya gocha ukwagachera kera nanyorere kera bekirichi apartment gaguchaka konyore rent amenya kuiranira musubati yumwabo igo even your own family can be bad company aya enyu omugwa swete gwa 30 years kwamenye konyora umusacho oyo wocha eyaringe yemo yagusiriri oyo gugwitakira lituko kwanyora umusubati oyo kogoso anyomba agokuburukanikira lituko kwanyora umusubati obona konyo utakanyule maru gakunywa maru kwanyora umusubati yokonyo utari kwenda chi nabasani ibibyombe rero nabasubati bakabwata chibese babere chi doctor babere chi nurse babere chi engineer umusubati abwata no nebyasare biya abasubati umete bono squeeze mbwata chibese umukungu kwanyome tolinge hambo byego gosigete kwanyora yeringe yemo yasirire you cannot stay in that same situation you have to get out yeringe yego ikanyerusi because akyorooche it's incomplete no nyina atware chi yeringe for 30 years was it 20 years was it how many years kwa atware musani you know that this earring tigo chakwenda ngende nyagwetana na isikane earring yemo ngasenye ncho mwana oyangete chi earring chingabona tinda itiko gotukuta earring yemo eline ubiyeligerereti because eyende yasirire I cannot stay in a relationship it incomplete do how are you it's incomplete. You cannot keep looking earring. You know, earring yeningi sana. Eya mwabo yasire kiago siriri. Kwa soide nyomo yago siriri. Omukao lingi bwate wa masikanyo oliko beka chianga chingiya ochakiri kunywa marubono ngo gambo reale talikorara nyumba yani bono mukao umusubati kwa nyome tomuya osirire bune earring yasirire. Omanya go ikaransalia, omanya kororosa lioguma bwawo. Priorities. Ligia abantu babwate good priorities. Ligia abantu babwate friends bago kwagacha. Tubasa gotiga abayuli bawo, tubasa gotiga abana bamino, tubasa gotiga abasani bawo banyando chibere, tubasa gotiga abasani bane bakisi primary, abande nimbwata aberonge, nimbwata abasironga, nimbwata aba America, nimbwata abekanisa, nimbwata abemeremo, abasani tubwate wow, tubasa gotiga abasani kwaire along the way. Look in new opportunities. Chaka go change your circle of friends. Rusi yeringe yote nga yaya, yeringe yeye mo tekoba. Yeringe yeye mo in fact tekoreka na bya ninyere toko konde ninye. Ebi abasani bali no nya ko ba onchora iga no nya ko ba bedel. They always negative, they bring you down. Change friends, okay? Change friends, chaka go live into a little different. Na handa basani mbaro robanchi to go chibonga point. Abasani mbaro bwato okonyora barabu mbali go commenta bonga points barabu igasi yabo no kunya ko tenga nebe yani banjite negative talk they don't add value aye you don't add value troch kende nkiyo ko tebinyalebe egotoko nakalo ngaki kwaba kende nkiyo ko tebinyalebe ngaki enali ko bara kinga ninchechi erinye nyere to gotoko konde te ko wenera yasirire ninyebe ko gotoko kiyasirire kiyago siriri genda eduka ule gitabu mbatebi boira ule gitabu gekoro kwe plana bigie plana chaka kulike bintu byotete gukora ene calendar plan nebwate chitariki nebwate space ya sokulika notes nebwate sokulika thoughts chi plan echi chiro siri in a way ekero bwata mangana ali wacha acha kiri gugochera amangana gugochera kwali kokolika woka ekero kogole plan nebwate section yokolika mangana your notes and thoughts because your notes and thoughts nje that's how I'm rolling. And you know, I want a good life. I want to change generations for my children. So I have to have a plan. As a naikire ne plan ango tuara. Aya, tuari getabu kia spirit. Kia nyasai. Ko tuare spiritual connection na nyasai. Getabu kia neke buate chi verses every day. Ogo soma, wamenya kuroro kwalika your thoughts. Chitariki no chira. Chi verse no chirega iga. Quote no erega iga. Omonto nalega asia no gotolikere bintevi. Oto remind ngaki imbuku kyogo soma lero. Alafu insa neli ikiri ngaki what am I grateful for? Every day okolika kera lituko egetabu ikekeri kire karota bwatiri baga na boko batolika lakini sitaliki nochira ebuku noera kwamenya kubuli ngaki inkirero gwakere nyasambi yamono. So that means you're going to have gratitude. Okay? Ekine ki spiritual goals egetabu ekomonto na chita kalike artist ekalike egateba ngabono egetabu ekenkolikera abantu batware goals nekero gwikaranza kwalike ibintu binangaki wiki egocha ntete nkorega chi wiki bere nkorega chi wiki sato nkorega omutienyi nkorega omwaka nkorega you understand? This is goals. Make future better. Yes, the only way you can know your future, how it's going to be, it's by planning. Chinoti echibono muigwete ngokwanera chi point echi asegetabu mneke. This book was $5. Nelson Mandela agotebanga it seems impossible until it's done. Everything looks impossible. Lakini uchake okora ngora uchake ku eliminate abasani abababe abasani abakonya ukubonga points umukungu kwenye ukobeka down umusaje kwenye ukobeka down. You have to try and change your environment. Egetabu is $4. Nondi getebo noga chino tsekeronte to soma ebintu kunya ku remind kabe simple. Decide your destination. You need to have growth. Change to do things a little different. Change your attitude. You need to have confidence. Okay, tell the truth. Tegonya kongaineren twara self respect ya somo bero create boundaries. Kabe curious nganga kya bantu bande ba okolivia sara na yo kolivia sara. Take risks. Balance. Oruji point yana nondi getega iga nande kurumaigaga nindigete nande chi point abosioni chi point chiri ndagete go ebintu nko work on ekenegeta tukie go take notes kwarore onye go teto tware relationship ngiye go iko tware trust onye go tageto understand umuntu biye mutware relationship ngiye mo wana o ikamutware understanding onye go teto tware relationship ngiye go iko be caring toro chi point cyane nondigete ga iganya kuinyuri onye go taite momenye no muntu biye accept the person. Okay, ebintu binde toganeti no kwa socialize kwenda iska kwa yunganga yeki na gekali ekero kwa nyomire 10 minutes ngobere na mukao nyumba kero kwa nyomire 30 minutes ngobere no musacho all the time. Emotionally no bwate planning, spiritually, financially chibeseri ngokoros chibeseri ngo save chibeseri ngo kwa abantu chibeseri ngo kurwa se kanisa ebintu ebyo spiritual bitabu ebono mbwate bitabu ange bine ebitabu ebingo nyagwetana na birobyo asenko ikera na nyolege ento nakoraki nalika onye na mache onye ko obwate weight issues onye na mache imo kigenda goleta mus beka mache genda golenye ne cha utaite kuchaka konyo every month genda goleta mus beka mache beke chai onye ne chinchugu na chengaji te chinchugu ekwanza na chigolete kuru eduka yomo usiye kuru kumuzalendo ja city onye ne chinchugu te koragera biye healthingia yenda gore container beka chinchugu chiao ebintu byo byonse lunch onye goteto chake koragera biya bogolia maembao bogolia ndagera elyo tegete koli bono tegete gonchoro likoragera biya bogole ndagera. So you need to tell yourself, young people, I believe I can be something I want to be. I believe I can change my life. I can be a better person. And the peer pressure is real. The 5 people you hang out with, they will either make you or they will break you. If I could board members, abantu will decide the company where are we moving forward. Abantu will decide from today we are going to do this. Ekerole in crisis. ekero ubwate good things ngokurangire ekero ubwate financial crisis ngokotebi nganyarebe nimbwate. We all need somebody to mentor us. Don't forget your old friends. Don't forget your families. Don't forget the people you meet along the way. But find people who are going to see good in you. Tali abantu bago gutyokereria marunga tonyu. Abantu bago kubetereria marunga tonywe. Totinde. Abantu bago kubetereria toende tomukia basubati gaiga. Ama sasa bago kubetereria gore chitikiti togende toetana ne gaiga. Nju togende casino. Abantu bago gutyotereria bad choices. And then now when you look back, what happened to my time? Because you misplaced your priorities. You're in bad company. Look around and look who you're hanging out with. It doesn't matter who you are. Now, I don't know ways you can learn from anybody. Evaluate your circle of friends and ask yourself, keronde na Penny kitogo kwana? Keronde na Duki kitogo kwana? Keronde na Abdul kitogo kwana? Keronde na Joan kitogo kwana? Last week tukaumira na Mwanyalebe inki tuebundisa. Wiki yali tukanana tukaumira na Mwanyalebe inki tuesomya. Umwaka oli omugima nkabere na Abduli umwaka omugima inki Abdula nkonya. Umwaka oli nkabere na mumurumi ntoko nywa marunye kongolera maru inki mumuru yo minanya go konya. Nanda abantu amugonye gotumira kibese. Onye muswati omino mumurumi no konye gotumira kibese buli no bolema. Abantu bali babwate kibese abande bakwenda bachikuliki kibese kiri kwere malia oli no bolema. Nyasawo yo. Choose your friends wisely. Tali abantu bali bakonye gukobeka down baho korusibonga point yagera wachi kunywa maru. Ntobwate insecurities that put us where we are. Onye kubwata abantu bakonye go magnify your insecurities ngaho penina ne earring ye makobeka squeeze. Omuntu arochinga earring yago siriri. Nabo omuntu arochinga kiyago siriri. Omanya gochonya gukobeta ebitenge ekemosirereti. Bad marriages, bad friends. Bad jobs. Find people who can motivate you. And I'm telling you, if you did not see how people cry, young person, you will look back and say, my God, I should have done better. And once your life is over, sometimes we cannot bring you back to life. You always have to remember that. Choose your friends wisely because you know what they make you or they are going to break you. And surround yourself with people who have your best interest. Change those friends today. If you've not liked my page, please like my page. If you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do that. And we usually have a family talk with my husband once a week. Please come up there, give us topics, let us talk as young people. We have stayed in marriage for a good number of years. There are things we have tried, there are things we have failed, and there are things we can tell you if we had to do it all over again, we could have done it a little different. So like our page and join us every Sunday at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We are there talking. You can also bring us topics that you guys want us to discuss. Even to be kabisa. Na batuko we discuss na inumoto echi point. Na litura nyale go sema nyasa uyu.